everyone, welcome back to my channel, Let's Talk Naturally. I'm Shauna, and if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and please like and subscribe to my channel. This is a channel for DIYs and discussing hair care products that strengthen, nourish, and feed our natural hair. In this video, I'm going to share with you a recipe that I used to create this wash and go. You'll notice that my curls are defined and they're soft. And you're wondering, what did you use, Shauna? Well, I'm going to share that recipe with you. Let's get right into that video. I'll see you after. First, you take 1 banana, a half a cup of unsweetened coconut milk, a tablespoon of grapeseed oil, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of aloe vera juice, and you put that all into a blender. You blend that up and set it off to the side. Next, in a glass bowl, I put a tablespoon of bentonite clay, a tablespoon of shakakai powder, 1 tablespoon of amla powder, and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. I use plastic to stir it up because you cannot use metal with bentonite clay, and then I pour my liquid mix into that bowl. I add a tablespoon of raw honey, and I added my essential oils, which I used peppermint, tea tree, and lavender essential oils. I stirred that all up, and now I'm ready to apply it to my hair. So I applied this clay wash in small sections onto my hair. I focus on the scalp by massaging it in and applying the clay first to my roots and then working it down the hair shaft. I get more clay as needed to make sure that I coat all of my hair strands with the clay wash. And then once I'm done with that section, working it all the way through and finger detangling along the way, I move on to the next section. And I apply the very same way. Let me just tell you about some of the benefits with these ingredients. Coconut milk is a natural hair conditioner. It boosts hair follicles, it promotes hair growth, and it treats damaged hair and it strengthens your hair. Shakakai and amla, fenugreek, they all stop hair shedding, they all strengthen the hair from root to tip, and they are also natural cleansers in addition to the bentonite clay. Apple cider vinegar and the aloe vera juice, they naturally balance pH levels in the hair, and they promote shine and hair health. Bentonite clay naturally cleanses the hair and conditions it, and it naturally defines your curls. It gently cleanses the scalp without stripping it of its essential oils. So everything in this clay wash is hair food. And if you'd like to learn more about the benefits of those Ayurvedic herbs that I mentioned, the shakakai, the amla, and the fenugreek, check me out on Instagram, my stories. I have a detailed list of many of the benefits of these ingredients. And so here I'm just making sure that I use up all of my clay because it's too good to waste. I notice that I have some extra left over, and I'm working that into my hair and massaging it in. And look at the definition. Even with the clay wash in my hair, I'm finger detangling along the way, and this is all the hair shedding I have. It's not much at all, and my curls are defined. I clip my hair away, and I wait 45 minutes before washing it out. Here I am. This is what it looks like once it's washed out. And I decided to do a wash and go, so I just massage some of the Baskin Bloom herbal oil into my scalp. And I'm going to do a wash and go using the Baskin Bloom More Moisture hair cream. That's the first step. And then I go in with their silky curl pudding. And I just do the praying method first and then just kind of working it into my hair strands from root to tip, making sure that everything gets nicely coated. And then the final step is their twirly hair gel. And I just work that into my hair from roots to tip, and I kind of just scrunch it in to the ends of my hair before moving on to the next section. And I work it into my sides, my edges, because I want to make sure that they lay down quite nicely. I'll briefly demonstrate what I do for the back. I do the same steps. So I use the Bask and Bloom More Moisture hair cream, and then I use their silky curl pudding, and I work that into my hair, making sure that I coat all of my hair strands, and I scrunch it into the bottom just to make sure the ends are especially covered before going in with their hair gel, and that's the final step. Once I'm done, I focus on applying a little bit more of the moisture cream to the top of my hair, because this is what's exposed to the elements. And so if I don't apply the extra moisture cream, my hair can dry out up top. So I really kind of focus on the crown of my hair, applying that moisture cream, and also in the front of my hair. And I'm just finger fluffing. And once that's done, I lightly diffuse my hair on low heat just to take off some of that excess moisture. And this is what it looks like, about 80% dry. All done. These are my final results. So that's it. I'm fairly new to the Ayurvedic hair community. I'm just recently incorporating Ayurvedic hair care herbs into my regimen, and I've only been in, I want to say it's been about a month now, a little over a month, and already I can tell the difference in my hair. I have more voluminous hair. My hair is soft. Not that it wasn't soft before, but it's softer now. And my hair has been thriving. So I'll continue to share this part of my journey with you all. For those of you who've tried Ayurvedic herbs, any of these herbs or any additional herbs in your hair care, and you've noticed a difference in your hair, please comment down below. Let's have a conversation about it. But I will say, in my experience, it's not, what works for one person won't necessarily work for everyone. So as I've mentioned in previous posts, I'm not sure if it was here on YouTube or if it was on Instagram, but just fair warning, anytime you're incorporating something new into your body, onto your scalp, please do a patch test. Although these are natural ingredients, not everyone's body responds the same to the ingredients. My body loves natural things. That's been my experience. So my hair is thriving, my scalp is much happier, and I suffer from eczema. So this clay mask, along with these herbs and other natural ingredients, have been very beneficial. So I plan to continue a routine very similar to this throughout the winter months, just to keep my hair moisturized and to keep my curls defined. And I also want to try incorporating more protective styles into my hair care regimen. That's been a personal goal of mine. I don't know why, I just struggle doing that. I might wear them for a couple of days and then take them out and wear my hair out. But even with that said, my hair is healthy, And that's really the goal, is to have healthy hair. So please share your experience with me. I'd love to hear from you. Just leave a comment below, and if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, or if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? We have a lot of fun over here, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.